Welcome to Edinburgh, and you're watching the Fantastic Four.
Welcome to our apartment tour here in Edinburgh, Scotland. We're going to begin here in the kitchen. We have really loved this kitchen because, as you know, I really love an open concept. So this kitchen opens up into the living area, which we'll talk about in just a second. But something else that's cool about this kitchen, which we've seen in several apartments in Europe, is that the faces on all of the cupboards are the same, even though they house different things. For example, we have drawers here, but we have the refrigerator under the island. It's a larger refrigerator than we've seen, but I really do love that. It doesn't look like the refrigerator. So then we also have these cupboards up here with these sort of, kind of neat mechanisms that lift the door up and above as opposed to sideways. We've seen this a couple times and I really, really like it. The other thing is we have the dishwasher. Looks like a cupboard, but it's not, it's the dishwasher. And then we also have over here the washing machine. So we've used this washing machine a lot, actually. And anyway, yeah, I just love that all of the cupboards in here just look clean and neat. So then the other thing we liked was how they use this corner area here. We have storage up here, but we also have a small pantry here as well. So they just did a really good job of using space. They've put a lot in this small area. So then we go into the living room area. So the connecting factor is this island here with 4 chairs. We have 4 stools here. This is where we ate all of our meals. You can see it's a nice big island, so it feels like a really, really big kitchen table. So we ate all of our meals here. And then we have these super comfy couches and a really spacious area to watch TV and play games in, that kind of thing. So we really like this space as well. And again, I love having an open concept, and I really like the natural light that comes in through that big window. So the other thing that was nice about this apartment was that it was decorated in such a homey fashion. We have some wind chimes here in the corner. I played them for you because Eden played them for us many, many times as we stayed here. So okay, I'm going to take you down this really long hallway. So this is the front door where we enter into the apartment. But the coolest thing about this apartment is above me, which don't go look up there yet, I'll show you in just a second. But we've told you that we do all of our washing on the road, obviously. We've been traveling for about 8 or 9 months now. And most of the places all around the world that we've been do not have dryers. So we use some sort of drying rack. But the drying rack I'm about to show you is the biggest drying rack with the most unique location that we've seen. So now I will have you look up above me. We have washed all of our clothes, and all of our clothing fit on this drying rack up here. So interestingly, in order to access the drying rack, we use this rope right here, and we lower it down. So seriously, is that not like the best use of space ever? They are really making use of these high ceilings in this apartment. Definitely a thumbs up for the drying rack. So then, if you want to get it out of your way, like our clothes just dried all evening last night, and we were able to easily use this hallway still. So anyway, really super cool. Okay, so now I'm going to take you into the bathroom. Before I take you in there, I'm going to tell you that this bathroom is teeny tiny like a closet, and yet it has the amenities of a full bathroom. Okay, so as you can see, this is really super tiny. So this is the sink, and then this is sort of, it's not a shower curtain, obviously, like a shower wall. So the shower is right here, and that spills into a really big bathtub. It's a full-size bathtub. And then right here is the toilet. So you can see there's not a lot of floor space in here, but they really did make use of every inch of space that they had in here. And it's super clean and it's been super comfortable. So that is the tiny bathroom. Okay, now I'm going to take you into one of the bedrooms. So this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms in this 2-bedroom apartment. And this is where the girls slept. It's a smaller bed. It's maybe a double-sized bed. And again, we have a super big window with natural light coming in. Really, really tall ceilings. And there's just some sort of plain crown molding around the top. And what I like about the bedrooms, and I'm going to point it out in each of them, is that they have these really nice full wood pieces of furniture. I guess I didn't mean full wood, I mean solid wood. There's nice solid wood that looks like maybe they've been refurnished. So here's a piece here as well, and the girls have put their packing cubes inside, so it's been nice to be able to unpack. And then there's a tiny little closet here that I'll just point out to you. Again, they've hung some of their clothes in there, and they've hanged some of their clothes in there and it's worked out well. So now I'm going to take you this way and back to the hallway with the giant drying rack and into the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. You can see it's really spacious. Probably one of our favorite features in here is this giant and beautiful armoire. Again, this is a solid wood piece. And we've got some hanging things in there. We put our backpacks in there and our packing cubes are on the other side. But it's a really nice piece of furniture that has been sort of fun. And then there are some, over here, bookshelves that are built into the wall. A lovely queen-size bed. And then also we have some wood pieces. This was a really nice solid wood piece that has a piece of marble on top. And then there's a really pretty piece over here. So anyway, the furniture and the decor in here has been beautiful. And also when you take a look at the ceilings up above, in here I pointed out in the other bedroom the crown molding, but in here you can see that the crown molding is just really ornate and detailed. I'm not sure what the grapes and the leaves are made out of, it might be wood, it might be plaster, it might be metal, but anyway, it's just very beautiful. So we feel a little bit spoiled in this bedroom. Also, I don't normally point out the curtains, but look at these curtains. They're so pretty, and they're really, really thick. Anyway, it's kind of odd, I know, but I just found that they were really beautiful. So as always, I'd like to point out the windows in these apartments. This is a double window here, and it gives us a really nice view of the city, or actually the residential area that's across from here in Edinburgh. So we've really enjoyed it. And yeah, it's been a good location. We've been here in the Haymarket area, which has given us great access. There's the subway station or tram is just down the street, and we walked to Castle Hill, and we were able also to walk to the Royal Mile. So it's been a really great location. So anyway, great apartment. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you did enjoy this tour of this apartment, we'd love if you gave us a thumbs up on our video. If you haven't already done so, it'd be great if you subscribe because we have a lot more travel videos coming your way. And also, we'd love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.